Hello, everybody. My name is Nebilah Inara Alarian for Galactic Discoveries Exchange. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I wanted to take this brief moment to let you know that we are starting a new venture and we're very excited about it. It's called Voices of the New Earth. And GDX is going to be interviewing a host of wonderful people, visionaries, creators, scientists, mystics, technologists, storytellers, each offering a unique perspective on where humanity is going next. Together, we're going to dive deep into conversation about human history, future civilizations, hidden knowledge, disclosure on all levels, and the remembering of who we truly are. These are not surface level talks. These are dialogues for those who feel that a new era is unfolding and want to understand it and shape it and live it with awareness at this time. We're living at a very special time on our planet right now. If you are curious about the future of Earth, the evolution of humanity, and the truths emerging in our time, this space is for you. If you're curious about the future of Earth, I urge you to come and stay a while. Listen. If it doesn't resonate, it's okay. You can move on. We are a new voice, new perspectives, one shared future. Welcome to Voices of the New Earth.